I'm gonna go that direction. Okay. Here for 30 seconds. And here's a look of the number 1s and number 2. Number 1, number 2, and then number 3. How easy and fast it is. It doesn't take you much time and you can create so many cute designs. I'm loving it. It's so beautiful and it's really easy, right? And then let's do the next one. Because you're seeing it's all solids, but I want to really you to enjoying it when you're doing crystal placement. If you don't have any other chamfer foil, you can definitely rock the designs with, you know, everything you have in the kit. That's all you need. So let's do this pants right here. And then going to like it right there. Give it a good press. Was really cool. Chance for everything you need. Hey Dom, how are you? And then we are gonna do is condensed glue gels. Really simple, right? Today's like just so easy with chamfer foils and crystal placements. You will never go wrong with this. If you are doing for your clients, this design is going to be between $12 to $15 for this per nails for your service. If you are doing it your nails at home, congratulations, you are going to having so much fun with this. You will never go wrong with it at all. Yes, hi Shada. That's it, Shaha. Thanks so much, Mika. Yes, you will never go wrong with this. Only wrong when your lamp doesn't key back. Hey Panda, welcome back. All right, floating the top coat on the top of unkeyed condensed glue gels. You want to follow with the 3-step methods will keep your crystal stay on one place and it's not going anywhere. I really like that design though. Really. You can do along with the designs or you can definitely doing right from the center. It doesn't matter. You will never you know, go wrong with that, I promise. So I'm gonna do this frame right here and this frame right here. Just make a circle. So here my centerpiece is a super adorable drop right here, and then add this one on. It just cascades down. And I'm using SS6 on this one. One, two, and then you can using a smaller SS along with your centerpiece. So keep in mind you're doing it as long as you keep them tight, close together, they are gonna connect to each other like a link, and it's gonna be hard to come off. I'm gonna use some silver beads. And tuck it in right between the frame and the, hey you, what's up? Make sure I check for me the comment.
Everyone says I'm buying your nails.
I love it. Thank you, ladies. I see all your beautiful work and it's so cool and it's stunning. Oh my gosh, guess what? We already did the 4 nails already. I feel like it's really cool and it's fast. Time flies fast when you're having fun. Like, wait, what? We just started with the first nail? Mika will say, okay, so now you started over again. Yeah, one more right here and tuck it in. So I am adding it all the beads and the frame on snuck in right in the center. So what it does, it will connect all of the crystal together into one place. Should be one more pink right there. Awesome.
Yep, so Panda, if the signal sometimes kind of froze, just come out and come back in again. IG is just a weird time to time.
You know, I'm almost going around with this. But it looks good like that.
So if you ask for the crystal Panda, so that's just the 3-step method you've been seeing us doing. So you have to condense, and then you're floating no white top coat, and then once everything clear and ready, you double secure it with precision glue gel.
I'm gonna show you precision glue gel just a little bit. All right, so we are gonna cure this one for 60 seconds. And then we're gonna do precision glues on all of them. So you're happy with this? We are going to cure, adjusting it as you need it. And we can cure. Just one more bit right there. There you go. Here you go. All right. Oh, thanks so much, Cece.